Hey, my name's Austin over here at Volkswagen of Puyallup. Just want to remind you that the sun's out, so you're going to want to move around. Road trip season's coming, so we want to go ahead and take care of your vehicle for you, but we want to go ahead and see what you need for your vehicle. So if you ever need anything, just come on inside. Upon arrival, one of the key ingredients that we look at is your tires. So we have a wide variety of tires, as you can see. We want to keep your tires lasting on the road. Every other oil change, we want to do a tire rotation. Other things we do look at is your engine, check out your coolant, see if it's all topped off, because we don't want anything to happen. So let's go on and see what else we do in the garage. An additional items I would like to talk about is your cabin air filter. It does get clogged up pretty quickly. It is coming up, summertime is here, so I want to make sure your vehicle is staying nice and cool on the inside. So we got to make sure we keep track of that AC. We do recharge your AC. Additional items that are very critical to safety is your brakes. I would love to check them out, see if we need to replace them. And if not, then you're good to go. If so, we can go ahead and get that taken care of. Another reason for you to come to Volkswagen of Puyallup is all of our technicians are factory trained. We're able to take care of you no matter what it is. We also do provide a multi-point inspection, a full look around on the vehicle, make sure you're safe. This is Austin over here at Service Department. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Have a wonderful summer.